Greetings of the day, dear students. Once again, I welcome you all in today's class. Let us start the day with God's blessing. Join your hands and close your eyes. Dear Lord, please embrace your loving arms around my family and friends. Keep them always protected, secured, loved, and blessed. This I ask in your name, O Lord. Amen. So my dear students, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is comparing numbers. So I hope you all have already completed the counting from 501 to 700. So today we are going to compare the numbers and learn this topic. So first of all, let us understand, why do we compare numbers? Now suppose I have shown you two jars full of jellies. If I ask you to take one jar, which jar will you choose and why? Think. So, I hope everyone will choose the first jar. Why? Because in this jar, we can see more number of jellies than this jar. Now, what you have done here? You have compared the number of candies or jellies in both the jars and then decided that this first jar is having more jellies, and that's why you will choose this jar. So I hope you understood why do we compare numbers. Now let us learn how to compare three-digit numbers. So we learn about three digits number. Do you remember? We learn how to represent their place value. So beginning with ones, tens, and hundreds. So 7 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place, and 5 is at hundreds place. So this is a three-digit number. Now we must remember, to compare the numbers we use three signs. So first one is less than sign. Can you see the symbol here? Less than symbol. Second is greater than symbol. Can you see this symbol here? It's greater than symbol. And the third one is equal to. Can you see this sign here? This is equal to sign. Now let us understand the topic with the help of an example. So example 1 is compare 534 and 678. So the first step is write both the numbers according to their place value. So what we are going to write? We are going to first write these two numbers with their place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, then 4, 3 and 5. So this makes 534. Same way, ones, tens, hundreds, 8, 7, 6. This makes 678. Now the step 2 is compare the numbers on the hundreds place and find out which is bigger. So first of all, we'll take the numbers at hundreds place. So can you see the number here? What is the number? 5. Very good. And here we have 6 at hundreds place. So we are going to compare these two numbers and find out which number is bigger. 5 and 6. So which number is bigger? Yes, 6 is bigger than 5. Now the step 3 is, as you can see that 6 is bigger than 5, So we will put the open sign towards the bigger number, that is 6. So that's why we can say that 678 is bigger than 534, and we'll put the open sign towards the number 678. I hope you understood this example. Let us go to the second example. So the second example is compare 689 and 643. So what is the first step? Write both the numbers according to their place value. So ones, tens, hundreds, 9, 8 and 6. Same way, ones, tens, 100, 3, 4, 6. So we have written both the numbers with their place value. So the second step is compare the numbers on the hundreds place and find out which is bigger. So which is the number at hundreds place? 6. And here again we have 6 at hundreds place. So we are going to compare these two numbers and find out which is bigger. So which is bigger according to you? Yes, both the numbers are same. So they are equal. Let us go to the step 3. Now, as you can see that in both the numbers, 6 is at hundreds place. So whenever we have equal number on hundreds place, we will go to the tens place and compare the numbers. Now, as you can see, at hundreds place, we have 6 in both the numbers and they are equal. So we cannot find which number is bigger. So what are we going to do next? We are going to tens place. So let us see at tens place which number is bigger. So we have 8 at tens place and 4 at tens place. So find out which number is bigger. Yes, 8 is bigger than 4. Now step 4. As you can see that 8 is bigger than 4. So can we say that 689 is bigger? And we'll put the open sign towards the bigger number, that is 689. 689 is bigger than 643. Let us take one more example now. Compare 526 and 520. So what is the first step? Very good. Write both the numbers according to their place value. So we have written both the numbers according to their place value. Now the step 2 is compare the numbers on the hundreds place and find out which is bigger. So let us take the numbers at hundreds place. So which number we have at hundreds place? Very good. We have 5 at hundreds place. So which is bigger? Absolutely correct. Both are equal. So we cannot find out which is the bigger number. Then what are we going to do? Exactly. We are going to go to the tens place. As you can see that in both the numbers, 5 is at hundreds place. So whenever we have equal number at hundreds place, we will go to the tens place and compare the numbers. Now what are the numbers at tens place? 2 and here also 2. Which is bigger? Yes, again we have the equal numbers. So now who will tell me what are we going to do next? Think. Exactly, we are going to go to the next number, which is at ones place. Step 4. As you can see that in both the numbers, 2 is at tens place. So whenever we have equal number on tens place, we will go to the ones place and compare the numbers. So we have 6 and 0 at ones place. So which number is bigger here? Very good. We have 6 as the bigger number. As you can see that 6 is bigger than 0. So we will put the open sign towards a bigger number. Here the bigger number is 526. So we are going to put the open sign towards 526. So always remember, we are going to start with hundreds place. Compare the numbers. If the numbers are same, then go to the tens place. Compare the numbers. If again the numbers are same, then go to the ones place and compare the numbers. And remember, you have to put the open sign towards the bigger number. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you're going to practice these sums in your notebook. Now I will be uploading a worksheet dated 15th May. Kindly complete it in your notebook. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay happy.